but she's a good baseboard if you want to experiment. Like this was the $29.99 one, which comes with the flying fish switch. This has the switch on the back for wired and wireless connection. Windows and Mac has the dongle. It's kind of crazy the price. This life is weird, huh? Yeah, it is pretty weird. So this one's cheap without a coupon. It just is cheap. So I did change out the keycaps and switches on this one. But it's kind of an insane price. It's not aluminum, not for this price. It's plastic, but it's a pretty solid plastic. So that's actually pretty decent RGB. I find that the Ajazzes actually can have pretty bright boards. All right, this one's function in backslash, so this one's at least easy to remember. So you got different switch choices. The avocado one's kind of creamy. The other one is I would describe as kind of a clacky sound. So there's 30 something left. I can't tell how many are left per colorway. It's not telling me that. But like, it feels like I have this secret that I'm sharing with you.